This is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and pre-trade strategy. Up today we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I noticed setting up today. My first trade was a sweep on liquidity above this Friday high here on the daily chart right here. This is today's daily candle. As you can see, it's a bullish candle starting out earlier, and I'll go into more detail on the 15. Was targeting liquidity at the high of Friday's candle, but since then there's been a market structure shift, and now I'm targeting the low here on the 60-minute, which may be the low of the day or almost there. We'll go over to the 60-minute really quick. So here on the hour chart, we can see this morning there was buying into the market, but then that buying sold off here. We can see this large wick here. So this is all retail. And then we see a sharp sell-off here, and now we've drawn back up. So actually within this range here, this morning being here, we can see that this sell-off here got my attention for a potential short, but not many currency pairs actually broke down in the market. But my current profit target, and I'll go over it in more detail here on the 15, is actually down here at the low end of the range here on the 60. This is the same area here on the 15-minute chart. And these are Fibonacci retracement tools just to help me get desired entries in the areas that I want to take positions in. But up here on the 15-minute, we'll go into more detail on the trade. So I'll move these Fibonacci retracements, and we can dive into this. Okay, so these purple lines that you're seeing everywhere on all the charts, this is the structural range on the daily here. This is on the 60, this is the structural range here. And the structural range on the 60 actually coincides with the structural range here on the 15. And with this, these yellow lines here, this is the structural range at, I believe this is 8:30. So I start my trading session at 8:30 and look for potential in any market structure shifts or breaks of structure to facilitate any trades. So we can see here, right here, this is just before the open here. We'll come in. Okay, this candle here, so this is 745, 730, 715, 7. So this here, this candle, what is this showing? 7. Actually, let me come in some more, which would be 9 a.m. This 9 a.m. candle. So this would be 9 a.m. Eastern time. We can see this opening range here is broken to the buy side. And then waiting for pullback and taking an entry for a potential long. That long failed, as you can see here in this area. But what happens here is the structure at the time, this would be the strong low at the time. This would have been the weak high up here. What happens here is a market structure shift. So this would indicate the potential of the price action in Bitcoin going from long to short. So this could be the initial sign or symptom of that happening with a close below this candle here. That was the previous strong low. So when that happens, this now becomes the or at least this being here, being the initiation or the ignition of the market structure shift. This would be the current, or this would make this the strong high, which is still the current strong high. This would be the week low, which is still the current week low. If I zoom out a bit, you can see here this is the range, and again it coincides with this range here on the 60-minute. So once I see this, I put up the Fibonacci retracement tool to try to gauge an entry, and I want an entry anywhere between this 62 and this 79. This is going to be my zone of entry here, anywhere in this area. The optimal entry, or this is based off the ICT optimal entry area or range. So I took there are 4 positions here. This is the early position here. When it looked like this area here was starting to roll over and sell off, or it looks like when sellers were beginning to take control, I added to the position here, and again added here as we were beginning to sell off here. And then now we're actually closed below this area here. So this price area here, where there's consolidation up near the highs of this afternoon's trading, once this consolidation range here gets closed below, there's the potential for some displacement down here to the profit target. And I think probably the clearest picture right now on profit target would be here on the 60-minute. So my ideal trading, or at least this system, focuses on structure on the 15-minute and targeting liquidity here on the 60-minute. So there's going to be liquidity down here on the 60-minute. There's going to be sell side liquidity down here. So any buyers that bought down here are going to have to, or at least if price action goes below, are going to trigger those sell orders, those sell stops. So that's what this trade idea is based off of. And if we come up to the 15-minute, my stop loss I've moved down to here. There were 3 positions, this position here and these 2 positions here. My stop is actually back here. But once this price action kicked in here, we get this new high and then got this sell-off right here with the close below this area here, which coincides with these 2 candles here on the 1-hour chart. Once this put in, I'm going to count this as now the new strong high here, or at least based on how I'm trading, that there would be a seller located up here, and I would not want to see price action come back above this. So all the stop loss or the stop losses for all the positions are currently at the same place at this 110.375.7 and target down here at 108.6094. So yeah, this is what I have in Bitcoin today, and market-wise, it seems like there was some buying this morning, but that buying was not sustainable, as you can see from this area. Actually, I'll take the Fibonacci back off here. We can see in this area this failed buyer attempt here. And then here is where sellers try to take control, and we can see there's a ceiling that's up here, and now we're getting this steady sell-off. It's looking like this cascade type of effect where we're getting consecutive sell candles coming in here. And I would also anticipate that to happen simply because in addition to everything else that we're seeing here, I'll also put this up in this area. So this would be a liquidity void in this area here. So any price action, let's say from here to here, could expect to potentially, or at least would not expect to see much resistance in this area. And that could also lead to further price action to sell off here. But this is today's live crypto market analysis and pre-trade strategy. This is On Tilt Trading, and we'll see you next time.